You're welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we'll bring you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, July the 13th, 2021. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market closed flat as NSE/ASI recorded minus 0.00% for the day. Its year-to-date returns currently stands negative at minus 5.99%. The all-share index closed at 37,857.24 basis points with a market capitalization of 19.724 trillion naira in 3,567 deals. The market closed with 16 gainers to 12 losers. The top gainers for equity were NCR PLC, Wema Bank PLC, and FTN Cocoa Processors PLC, while the top losers were Ikeja Hotel PLC, Custodian Investment PLC, and Japo Gold and Ventures PLC. Wema Bank PLC, Guaranteed Trust Holding Company PLC, and UPDC PLC were the most active to boost market turnover. The NSI and market capitalization advanced by 0.12% to close at 762.02 basis points and 541.65 billion naira respectively. The change in volume traded declined to close at 1,977,625, while the value traded closed at 37.099 million naira in 23 deals executed for the day. The FMDQ Group debt market size closed at 24.22 trillion naira. The NAFEX rates declined by minus 0.04% to close at 411 naira 14 kobo, while the INE FX rate advanced by 0.14% to open at 411 naira 82 kobo and closed at 411 naira 75 kobo to a dollar. The AFEX Commodities Exchange ACI closed flat at 490.56 basis points, while the AEI closed flat at 179.58 basis points. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displayed on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Board of Directors of FCMB Group PLC have announced the appointment of Yemisi Edun as the Managing Director of First City Monument Bank Limited. This announcement is subsequent to the end of service of the bank's former Managing Director, Adam Nuru. The Oxford Foundry, University of Oxford, United Kingdom, and FMDQ Private Markets Limited, a subsidiary of FMDQ Holdings PLC, Nigeria, announced a global partnership to accelerate the growth of Nigerian startup ecosystem and nurture a future generation of young Nigerian leaders in entrepreneurship through knowledge exchange and collaboration. The partnership will support Nigerians' future business leaders and high-growth startups to access the networks and skills they need to grow and sustain their businesses, create jobs and inclusive socio-economic growth, and facilitate the growth of Nigerians' venture ecosystem. On What to Watch today, ProShare, Nigerians' foremost financial information hub, will host the Personal Finance webinar focused on discussing estate planning, wills and trust, and all that individuals need to know to plan ahead for the afterlife. The webinar is scheduled to hold virtually from 12 p.m. via the Zoom network. It will have as chief host Mr. Teslim Shitabe, Chief Economist and Managing Editor, ProShare, with the following speakers: Mrs. Grace Adejare Ajuwon, MD and CEO ProShare, Mr. Ibidolapo Olufade, Trust and Legal Officer, Meristem Trustees Limited, Mrs. Yvonne Ezekiel, Managing Partner, Olisa Agbakuba Legal, Mr. Kolawole Olanikbekun, Senior Associate and Head Business Development, Stock Legal Solicitors, with Mr. Otua Abasia Kong, Editorial Operations Manager, Web TV Limited, as the moderator. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on all our social media platforms showing on the screen. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.